So asa ka na po yun? Ikaw?
Sa baybay.
Doon sa simbahan?
Hindi. Kapit sa eskwelahan, San Quino Betel.
Ah, okay.
Kapit sa baybay, sa fish landing.
Ah, sa fish landing.
Oo.
Oh, so sa dagat lang?
Oo.
Kapit.
Ano ka to?
Oh.
Nakalakaw na ka?
Wala pa.
Oo. Nalakaw ka to?
Karon lang. Oh.
Para makita mo sa dapit sa may ano siya, may seahole.
Opo. Okay ra.
Lani kayo.
Oo ba?
Next location.
Sa imo nga lang dapit sa dagat. Pwede mo ari sa dapit sa murag gikan sa simbahan. Di ba ano kita? Oh. Okay.
Simbahan.
Oh, dapit sa ang tao nag-mirror lang siya.
Oo.
Oh.
Simbahan.
Ah. Ada yung room for rent rin, ma'am?
Kaya dyan. Kaya dyan.
Ay, dyan, nasa na?
Dito ka ba ito man to?
Layo pa sa restaurant?
Oo.
Pero unsa di ang available mga apartment or sa boarding house?
Boarding house, balay.
Boston, Gimbal.
Karaman, boarding house. Kita sa dagat.
Oh, okay.
May simbahan meron.
So, dire lang ang boarding house.
Boarding house?
Oh.
Doon pa.
Doon pa.
Oo.
Okay, super.
Tiyak naman.
Dire lang.
Oo.
Ah.
Damo dili ano room pa rin.
Nasa din.
Damo. Dito bantang sa highway.
Ah.
Dapit sa ano sa imong restaurant.
Oh, dapat dira.
Oo, ara da.
Ah, okay. Okay. Pero unsa na dira mga hotel pod or room
Oo.
lang. Okay. Nice. Mercado ne?
Oo.
Ah, okay. We have the market building back there. And then there's a grocery.
Yes.
A grocery store. Banana.
Hi, tita. Ad. Ari barangay hall.
Ah, barangay hall na ne?
Oo, ari. Barangay 8 hall.
Ah, oh.
Barangay 8.
Oh. Oh, nakita
Pag
ko.
dito mo, barangay,
barangay 9?
9 dito.
Ah.
Ari, Queen of Beben. School of Queen of Beben.
So elementary po or
High school,
high school lang?
elementary.
Opo.
Private school.
Unsa na pa dong dito?
Barangay Santa El.
Alright. So dagang na puyo lang ang tao dito. So napod line markado dira?
Wala. Ang ano, oo. Isa lang ang merkado.
Okay.
Dito, merkado.
So kanang merkado Tigbawan na dire napod line ang merkado sa ato.
Oo.
Okay.
Tama diri bata. Tama bata.
Oh. Wala ang basta. Okay kayo. Kaan. Oh. Pero mas door man gud ang if ever kay door man gud ang dagat. So napod mga fishermen dito o wala.
May dyan.
So unsa di ay ni kuhaon dira?
Isda, ano,
Mga bluefin o unsa ang isda
Oo.
nagikan dito?
ang tagmay. Tagmay isda.
Pero unsa di ay man gud ang isda na like mga bluefin?
Linaw. Layo to mga bluefin.
Oo, layo sa kuan sa
Oo.
So kanang lugar ba parte sa barangay 8
Oo.
or parte sa unsa man?
Bless kag tanpa ay bless kag nagmix naghalo.
Okay. So na community center siguro.
Ay, community.
Mm.
Fish landing.
Wow, very nice. Oy, naitaw.
Damo diri tao.
Oh.
Sa damo balay.
Ano yan?
Very nice. Tanawa ko dira ha.
Oo, sige.
Papatayo mo?
Hello ma'am, kumusta?
Hello.
Kumusta ka? Okay ra? Akong driver.
Lakog Manila kong food here in the province of Tigbawan.
Unsa to? Unsa?
Lakog Manila kong food.
Lack of food. Nay dagan sa merkado.
Aga ka maang galit.
Cebuano ra ay.
Cebuano?
Oh. So I just came out here and I want to I got this attraction to the ocean. Not so much to the ocean in terms of like, wanting to be in the water and sunbathing and all that nonsense. But there's always been something about me and the sound of the waves, And I think there's a lot of people that can relate to this actually because a while back I was on Amazon.com or on YouTube. I can't remember exactly. And there was somebody selling on some sort of audio recordings of the sound of the wave, So as a sign of and the point of sale was the selling strategy was how the sound of the waves can make you relax, blah blah blah. If it's inconvenient for you to reach the ocean, you need to buy the audio recording and relax and fall asleep and so on and so forth. But out here, I would imagine if this place was developed in a way that like Miami or something. This would be the ultimate luxury to be at such proximity to the ocean. But as you can see, it's not a beach resort or anything. It's just local living in this part of the municipality, and local as it may be for others, it's better described as luxury, simple luxury. If I had the opportunity, I'd get on a boat and go down to the ocean, but that's not going to happen today. But anyway, I just wanted to take a moment and come out here to this part of the city of Tigbawan and check out the ocean a little bit. Let's see. So I'm going to ask my driver over there to see if I can go back to one of the barangays. One of them over there looks a little bit busy, but that's fine. I'll check it out. But I like that boat. I'll go take a shot of this boat in a little bit. But anyway, it is what it is. Let's see what's on the other side. Hey, Musta? Okay ra? Dari nakapuyo boss, imong balay ni? Imo ang balay? Jump, jump. Nice jump. Nice jump, nice jump. Unsa na dira boss? Balay na ba? Pat man sa balay?
Wala.
Wala na.
Ano padulong ro sa bike kita.
Ah. Pero padong bye pwede ka lakaw dire o dili?
Dagang kayo to, pato. Langoy ron ba to sticker.
Mao ba?
Hmm.
Pero dire lang wagi.
Hmm.
Aha. Pero dire ko Spider-Man.
No. Pato nga di house bato.
Mao ba?
Yo. Stikas hindi mo kakagi dira stikas.
Pero ambot man good maybe na dagang mga tao dira. Unsa pangalan mo boss?
Jet.
Jet. Gio ko.
Gio.
Dire kagikan timbak tigbawan. Nagunsa ka dira boss?
Namunit.
Okay. Kumusta brad? Okay ra? Visit lang ko dito boss, gikan Cebu lang.
Baka ka doon sa Leon.
Opo.
Narakato. Sa Bukari.
Dire nagikan. Salamat ka. Sige. Oo. So, but anyway, it's just the little things, you know, that just kind of always catch you by surprise. The way you know, people are curious, they are accommodating, they are adjustable and all around really hospitable. And of course, you know, nothing really is set in stone. There's always the good, the bad, the ugly. But of course, in life we have some choices, we have some options, we have the opportunity to focus on the things that we want to attract in our lives. You know, so for me, I try my best to focus on the good, and every once in a while you run into a completely different place that's not even. I mean, obviously it's on. You know, it exists, but it's not like a popular destination or anything. It's not like, you know, Baguio or Bohol or some of the other popular destinations. But all right, I'm gonna try to go up there and see if I can make it. Boss, can you hold for me?
Sure.
I will try to go there. Okay. Kira? And then kung nako dire, i-tag na ko ha.
Sige.
Salamat. What's your name?
Eric
Pangalan?
Eric Jan.
Eric Jan? Gio ko. Gio. Alright, this is my helper. I just asked him to help us so I can get up there. Taga-Tigbawan? Taga-Tigbawan? Okay, no problem. So ikaw ang number 1? Ikaw ang number 1 dito sa Tigbawan?
Hindi.
Ikaw ang number 1? Siguro, no? Kaya di ba Tigbawan number 1? O ikaw number 1? Okay. Basta ikaw.
Salamat.
Okay. Alam ko. Spider-Man.
Hindi naman dyan kakagi sa likod. Parapos lang.
Salamat. Okay, so I just jumped over into this concrete area because I just want to take a closer look at the other side. So here it is, the place that you're never gonna see on any other recording anywhere in the world. But I'm gonna do this. I'm doing it. Here it is. Wait a This is probably the best feature of this town. I think Tigbawan. There's another place. Somebody mentioned to me that there's like a beach resort somewhere on the other side of town, maybe heading towards this direction over here. But I'm not really much of a big fan of like beach resorts, to be honest. I like the rawness of nature. You know, beach resorts are cool. They serve their purposes. You can have the most relaxed time of your life at a beach resort. But but you know, it's polished. You know, it's like going through the forest, and then you have like a paved road in the middle of the forest for you to walk on. It's just not, you're not really in sync with nature because it's just kind of, it's made up experience. For me, I like to go to the raw environment where, you know, we have the natural rocks in the middle of the ocean. Although here, this is not exactly it because this is like concrete out here. But obviously it's also a very local residential part of this town where you have people living here. This is Kuya here, Kuya Guapo over there somewhere on top of the yellow house. And this is the way of life. And honestly, I know for sure, like an ocean front like this is prime real estate. This is prime property right there. But you have, in this place, in this part of the world, it's just, you know, it's just a basic element of everyday life. And it probably costs them nothing to be out here. So, you know, it is what it is. Obviously over there, there are some fishing boats. There are some fishing boats coming out. So, but anyhow, so this is it. This is done. I'm done here. I'm just gonna go. I'm ready to get back on my horse and continue this little tour. Some coconut. This is going to be made coconut oil. Yeah, this is somebody's business right here. Probably they're drying these coconuts and then probably will squeeze it into coconut oil, and you know, use it for cooking, for medicine, or what have you. Oi, up here. Ah, salamat. Boss, asa dia ka gikan? Asa dia ka? Pwede mo lang ka dito pa doon dire gikan pagbalik?
Pwede man, kaso lang dugay.
Dugay.
Layo manggaring.
Di na dugay, basta dire lang pagbalik dito.
Di dire hagyo?
Okay, pwede ra?
Oo. Lagi mo dara mo shortcut. Shortcut lang.
Di ko nag-shortcut. Shortcut na ko patong dire, so akan na ko pagbalik. Pwede ra? Tao ba me?
Ina?
Kumusta boss? Okay ra? Oh. Wala unsa? Oy, ari na. Ge. Wait sa. Ikaw na hold, ikaw na. Okay. Hold on. One moment lang ha. Okay. Oh. Tara na.
Salamat.
Okay ra ne?
Ano kayo tawa?
Ikaw man.
Namato.
So ikaw gagmay, so 5 lang. Ano, wala maganda ko man yung smile, no? Wait ha. Wala ko 5, so 50 lang. Okay ra? Okay ra? Di ka sure? Sure ka?
Sure ka?
What's your name, boss? What's your name?
Yung bang to
Name mo. Rex? Rex? Mga T-Rex? Mga dinosaur? Eh? Sa T-Rex, Rex lang. Rexona? Oh, Rexona. Ape. Ikaw, boss. Imong name?
Gian.
Gian. Okay naman. Saka dito tigbawan. Ako saka dito ko fish? Fishing ka? What is that? Wala lang.
Salamat.
Kaan? Pwede. We just got taken over to the neighborhood. Oh, a nice boat. Say goodbye. Warriors. Amping. Sige. Hello, ma'am. Hoy, bata, kumusta? What's your drinking? Juice? What kind of juice is that?
Ano dyan sa lakay?
Melon juice? Palit ko? Na, lain, wala. Wala lain? Kana ra usa? Kumusta kuya? Okay ka? Hello ma'am. Hello bata. Hello po.
Hello po.
Pwede palit ko?
Palit po.
Sarap ne?
Ari.
Sarap.
Oh, de.
Quick ka na?
Pagkuhan na ito.
Quick.
Quick.
Oo.
Ah, kana nagsira gani ha.
May itlog.
Ah,
Ay, tayo mo nga
itlog sa itlog sa quail. Ah, katong gagmay. Ah. Oh, try man ko. No problem.
Apo. Barbecue. Wow.
Depende.
Barbecue.
Yes, ma'am. You want to say hello? Wow, kalami mong kaon. Tanawag ko, ma'am. Unsa na?
Kwek.
Ah, kanang itlog.
Oh, yes.
Kana itlog sod.
Oh, itlog. Tapos may
Ah,
sinama.
nice. Nice sili man. Unsa ka ba na napagkaon?
Ha?
Unsa yung mga kauban na napagkaon?
Ari, lagay mo ng sinama.
Sinamak,
Vinegar.
sauce,
Oh,
vinegar.
Tapos gatoy ka na gas stick ga. Tapos lagyan mo nito. Gusto mo dyan? Sinama? Mama. Try, gusto mo?
Oh, try gusto ko.
Try sausaw mamak.
Oh, okay. Pila ni?
12.
12.
12, 12.
Sarap ni?
Sarap.
So ikaw na lang nagbayad kay naka-50.
Ikaw na lang mabayad. Ito kanya kayo. Nasimito ikaw na lang mabayad.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, isa lang sir.
Oh.
Juice.
Basta lang, wait, check na lang ko atong budget, ma'am,
Okay,
ha?
no problem. Excuse lang. Pwede ka makalakaw. Malakaw. Tingnan ka puli, sir. Tingnan ka puli, sir. Tingnan ka puli. Saan ka umuwi? Where you go home?
Ah.
Hindi, magagawa sa... Hindi ka magawa sa Bisaya, sa English ko kunin ko,
Okay na, ma'am. Ah, so, 12 na ni.
Oh, 12.
12. So, 15, sobra mga 3.
Tres.
Ada yon.
Juice, 5
Juice?
piso. 5.
5. So,
18.
18
Ah,
pa lang.
17.
17. Not to the math. 10, 15, 16, 17 lang.
Oh,
Nice. So, saan na?
barbecue.
Ah, barbecue.
Yan,
Oh,
isa.
saan na ko na, ha?
Merienda.
Awesome. Oh, this is melon juice.
Yes. Instant melon juice.
Well, I'm gonna have my little snack here in the middle of this barangay. Unsa yung unsa barangay ni?
Tampael.
Barangay Tampael, Tigbawan.
Yes.
Congratulations, Barangay Tigpael. You're going to be famous.
Ano ka na muna yung ano?
Siguro manggod kung mahuman na post lagi ko ta hashtag Tigbawan siguro.
Okay,
So you una na
Kita namin.
lagi smile na lang ha. Okay. Oh. So kaon man ko first. Kaon man ko kung manong kung mahuman ko pagkaon. Pag sa taas lang ko ato ko ha.
Hindi ako kasumay, nagkaon sa pista. Baka ako yung basta. Wala lang ako nagbabasta, kagawan na gito.
Puro ko ingkali. Pabay ko to.
Hindi lang. Hindi ka nag-direct, no? Diba, matiting ka? Ano ito? Anak, hindi ko na. Hindi, tagpira dyan. 20-20? Hindi ka na. Mas ka pa.
Wala ko to Martin lang.
Coco Martin.
Dato siguro si Coco.
Si Coco kaso walang Martin pa. Walang Coco. Sabihin na dyan ha. Nagtulo. Dali mo na. Puti pala yun. Dali mo. Sira. 5. 3 Para 12. Wala, isa na lang karoon.
3.
Ano na akong Diyos pa? Kulang na ako Diyos pa? Kaya lang? Ito.
Ba, ako tama.
Hindi, ako din. Sige, bigay. Ako Diyos ako. Ano ko Diyos? Ano?
Kulang man yung biso.
Sige, gagawin mo pa. Diyos ako tapay.
Kulang kami na ako.
Ako na Diyos.
Ganon? Ano niyo pa?
Ya, ito ni mo katrokon. Eh, kontak dress dyan. Ako ko to dyan.
Sa isa ko, siyempre mo? Hindi na lang.
Oh, salamat kuya. Okay, diba? I was saying, here you have the ocean for free, and then the people will utilize the ocean for their livelihoods. It doesn't get better than that. And I was just here talking to Kuya Marvin. I said Kuya Marvin, Martin, hey, Kuya Martin. And then there's this little lady coming over here. She has fish for sale. And then she told me, bago na kuha sa dagat. She just got it from the ocean. Oh, and then fresh kaayo siguro mango kaya hindi na negro yung mata. Bago rin sa siya. Ya, pila mango di mong isda, ma'am?
20 kilo.
Pila?
20.
Kamahal mango di ang isda. Kamahal kaayo man good. Akong budget 12 man good pagkaon itlog.
17.
Oh, 17 man good including akong juice. Ma'am, na discount sa mga isda. Why discount? Damn. Wala ko ready man good pagpalitan nan. Oy. Pero nindot man good mga isda. Asa diya nagbaliga na? Nagkuan. Nay kawd di order na?
Bang Ros.
Kinsay mong customer?
Libod.
Ah, okay. So basta na siya kwarta. Okay. Wow, bata asa diya kagikan. Hello. So cute. Wow, ma'am, I wish I was ready, pero I cannot buy because I have to go somewhere else after this. Pero if ever I am here, I will find you na lang pagpalit. Okay? Pero salamat kaayo ha. Wow. Kanindot man gud ang isda bago nagikan sa dagat.
Pisik-pisik pa.
Very fresh.
Very fresh.
Better than ko sa Robinson Market ha.
Libod kami.
Dindot. So what I'm going to do is cute man good ko ang bata. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the upstairs pagkita, and then kumahuman ko I will go na lang to barangay.
Tanpael.
Katael. Pampael.
Tanpael.
So asa diya magkita rin lang dire mo lakaw sa stairs.
Ito.
Di man good, ingon ka dire man good sa stairs, no?
Oh. Sige ikaw lang.
Okay ra?
Lakaw ka.
Okay.
Babaw.
Okay. Kau bang kau? Uban me? Let's go. Sige na. Ikaw.
Ang fishing port landing center.
Oo. Fishing port. Asa ang fishing port?
Diyan.
Asa?
Down there.
Oh, down there. So sa ubos ang fishing port.
Oh.
Okay. So sa dire sa babaw pagkita lang.
Oh.
Okay.
Because in yesterday, I have baby tsunami in there. Disaster.
Oh, really?
And vacuum this up. Vacuum na sa babaw. Saka dito sa babaw kay dagdako balo diri. Na tinan nag-agupa da ang banda ang balay. Nagtaka dito sa babaw para hindi sila maubos ka matay.
Oh, there. Pila ka buwag namatay?
Wala, safe man sila lahat.
Safe lang. Okay.
Doon sa pinakadulo doon. Doon ang pinakamaraming sirang bahay.
Sharing ka rin, hindi ko na kayo na nagtataw.
Oh, mayor ah. Oo. Okay kayo. Okay kayo. Okay ra ka. So, sa baba lang ha, padong. Oh.
Okay, down there.
Unsa to? Unsa ingon? Oh, this is Kuya Coco Martin again. And then driver and then Gagmay Bata. asa di ang isda tao. O nalaka man gud ang isda tao pag baligya siguro man gud ang isda. So anyway, we have a bird's eye view. Kinsa na?
Baby.
Oh, dayon. Mo ba? Okay. Okay, so let's go na lang babaw ha. Ubos babaw. So let's go back downstairs and proceed to another spot. Just local living. Hui! 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 Kamusta? Okay ra? Hi! Hi! Let me see.
Taragaw na.
Ay, tatalagaw!
Para mulot sa tanan.
Ikaw.
Oy, para mulot
Ikaw.
tuloy.
Ikaw. Yeah.
Taragaw, gago. Wagam. Ay, taragaw ba tayo ka mo?
Ah?
Gago.
Ikaw. Yeah. Catch.
Kacha, talaan nyo tanan. Tara. Talaan nyo tanan. Talon ninyo. Ito.
Wala lang man good ka na lang. You catch. 1, 2, 1, 2 and good job. Oh, wala lain. Aw kana lang akong sukre man unya na lang next time na lang ha. Kana mahuman man gud akong sukre on.
Madakpan talaga ka mga dalaway.
Kanindot man si.
Oh,
Akong florin.
bukid ka mo ka we.
Oh, na bukid ra. Try na lang ko be. Ay nako. Sige bye. Okay. Oh, salamat. Ikaw. Oh. Jump. Okay. Are na. Maulaw ka? Sige. Salamat dong ha. Very nice boat. Ay nako. So, Brad, ato na ko ha. Tsaka lang ko mango sa sikat sa gulay. Tay, kumusta? Okay ra? Coco Martin, salamat ha. Ay mga istoryahon. Batag ko pa ato na ko. Sige bye. Amping. Tanawan na lang. Salamat ha. Oy. Amping ka ha. Ma'am, salamat. Amping ha. Tigbawan ha. Salamat kuya. Oh.
Hindi na tamalakaw. Tamalakaw.
Oh, kawan sa wow. Very nice man gud ang bata no. Kadagan sila. Asa palain. Kumusta kuya? Okay ka? Relax day ka no? Wow. Oh, kapoy biyahe. Oh, take a break na lang. Or you need to palit bago mga e-bike na lang. Oh. Oh, sige boss. Salamat ha. Amping. Sige boss. Kayo.
Angkat din ha. Ano mo lang angkat? Dala ko naman na.
Al inicio del ser, quiero puedas ver que salimos del suelo y abrimos el mirar al fuego en nuestra